Hello, what's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Frankie once again, and I'm here with your favorite dog, Benson. We are here in the village. This village is known as Seme. It's the rocky land of Seme. It's too rocky over here, guys. There are so many rocks, as you can see, very huge rocks. This place is known as Seme. This is my village, and I'm here with my dog. So let's dive into the video. So guys, this is the village. This is the village. Place known as Seme. Seme is in Kisumu. Kisumu is in Kenya. Let's just walk around as you see what the village has in store for us. Just walking, guys, while holding my dog. We are just going for a walk. A walk in the village. It's the evening, guys. It's evening. It's 5 p.m. in the evening, and we are walking in the village. So, uh, fresh. Umeleta? Umepatana na watu?
Nimepatana nao.
Wamechukua? I want to show you how huge these rocks are. They are huge. Right behind these trees, there are those huge rocks. The huge rocks. Very, very huge and tall. They're like 10 stories high. You can believe that 10 stories high, that's so tall. I will be passing close so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There, this camera cannot do you guys justice. I'm sorry for that, guys. But you can also come to this side. This place is called Kit-Mikayi. It's in Kisumu. Guys, if you know Kisumu is in Kenya. Kisumu is in Kenya. Kenya, the capital city is Nairobi. Then there is the second largest city, that's Mombasa. The third largest, that's Kisumu. And on this part of Kisumu is the village. And that's where you find this huge rock known as Kit-Mikayi. It's a UNESCO World Heritage. So you can come and visit. Kuja uchukue. Chukua. Hawezi kuma. Guys, I was just speaking Swahili. Those are the local kids here. They're asking me about my dog. They're asking me about my dog. It's this Chihuahua I'm carrying, guys. It's this my Chihuahua. It's not a rare dog here in the village, so it's one of a kind. That's why everyone is asking about it. This is the area, guys. This is called Kit-Mikayi. very huge. That's the entrance. And that's the place. That's the entrance. Uh, County Government of Kisumu, Directorate of Tourism welcomes you to Kit-Mikayi, a UNESCO inscribed site. Activities, prehistoric site, nature trail, campsite, bird watching, team building, and rock climbing. That's the entrance. But not today, guys. I will take you on the trip the next day. Not really the next day, but next time. For now, let's continue our walk. You see the place? So many rocks. But we're not going inside today, guys. Chukua. So, guys, for today, I won't be taking you inside, but rather we will see other rocks that's free to watch, free without entrance. So let's do this. Let me show you. This place is called Seme. This area is known as Seme. It's famously known as the Rocky Land of Seme, where there's so many huge rocks. As you can see, it's just that sun is coming from this side where I'm recording, so that's why the video is a bit dark, but you will have to bear with me, guys. I will bring you over here the next time. I'll be coming to go inside the rock. The next time I'll be taking you guys, so just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, guys. By subscribing, you are helping this channel grow. We are now at 500 subscribers, aspiring to go for 1,000 subscribers. So help me by subscribing. We continue our walk. Yeah, we have so many rocks, as you guys can see. In this place, there are many rocks. So many huge rocks. That's the rock, guys, I wanted to take you. Rocks. That's the rock, guys, I wanted to take you. See? Very huge rock. But I will be taking you guys the next time. For today, I was just on a walk. Guys, you can see how this place is. So many rocks. That's Seme for you guys. This place is known as Seme. So that's it. That's the rock I wanted to take you guys. You see how the rock is? I'll take you guys on the next adventure. But today I was just on a walk with my dog. I'll take you along guys. The next time I'll be coming. But today let's just continue with our walk. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate for you watching this video. Don't take it for granted you taking your time to watch my videos. I really appreciate guys. I'm with my dog over here. My dog is known as Benson. Say hi Benson. It's really tired, that's why I'm carrying it. So thank you guys for watching the video. Consider subscribing, like the video, leave a comment guys, let me know what you think about my videos so I can be able to improve. Share guys, share with your friends, share with anyone guys. I really appreciate it. Today I was on a walk. I was taking my dog on a walk. So that's why I'm carrying it. It's really tired guys. So until next time guys. See you next time. Bye.